हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक अगेन इंजीनियरिंग नोट्स से। आज मैं आपको यूनिट 1 जो हमारा मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग डिज़ाइन सब्जेक्ट मशीन डिज़ाइन 1 जो है सीबीसीएस पैटर्न के अकॉर्डिंग पार्ट 3 वीडियो डालने जा रहा हूँ। ये नोट्स हैं, आप इसके थ्रू अपने नोट्स बना सकते हैं। आपको बहुत डिफ़िकल्टीज़ होती है, न्यू सिलेबस एक्चुअली आया है ये आरजीपी यूनिवर्सिटी में, तो प्रॉब्लम होता है मटेरियल ढूंढने में। तो मैं यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी नोट्स आपको प्रोवाइड करा रहा हूँ, आप वीडियो के ज़रिए नोट्स आप कंप्लीट कर सकते हो। ओके, तो मैं डिक्टेट करूँगा, आप उसे नोट करते रहना। Effect of loading on endurance limit, or that is load factor. Okay, the endurance limit, that is sigma e of a material, as determined by the rotating beam method in the reverse bending load. There are many machine members which are subjected to load other than reversed bending. Let kb is equal to load correction factor for the reverse bending or rotating bending load. Its value is taken as unity. Ka is equal to load correction factor for the reversed axial load. Its value taken as 0.8. Ks is equal to load correction factor for the reversed torsional or shear force load. Its values is 0.55 for ductile material and 0.8 for brittle material. Now, endurance limit for reverse bending load. Sigma EB for reverse bending load. Sigma EB is equal to sigma E into KB, where KB is equal to 1. Then sigma EB is equal to sigma E. Endurance limit for reversed axial load. Sigma EA is equal to sigma E dot Ka. Endurance limit for reverse torsional or shear load. Tau E is equal to sigma E dot Ks. Effect of surface finish on endurance limit, or surface finish factor. When a machine member is subjected to variable loads, the endurance limit of the material for that member depends upon the surface condition. Let K surface, that is Ksur, is equal to surface finish factor. Therefore, endurance limit sigma E1 is equal to sigma EB dot or into K surface factor is equal to sigma E into Kb into K surface factor. For reverse bending load, sigma E1 is equal to sigma E into K surface factor. Therefore, sigma E1 is equal to sigma Ea into K surface factor. Sigma E1 is equal to sigma E dot Ka dot K surface factor for reverse axial load. Therefore, sigma E1 is equal to tau E into K surface factor, where sigma E1 is equal to sigma E into Ks into K surface factor for reverse torsional or shear load. Effect of size on endurance limit. Size factor. A little consideration will show that if the size of the standard specimen is increased, then the endurance limit of the material will decrease. That is, size inversely proportional to 1 upon endurance limit. Let K size factor is equal to size factor K as Z. Therefore, endurance limit sigma E2 is equal to sigma E1 into K size factor is equal to sigma EB into K surface factor into K size factor. Sigma E there is equal to sigma E into KB into K sur into K SZ. For reverse bending load, sigma E2 is equal to sigma E dot K sur dot K size, and sigma E2 is equal to sigma E1 dot K size is equal to sigma Ea into K surface into K size. Reversed axial load, sigma E2 is equal to sigma E dot Ka dot K surface dot K size. Note: the value of size factor is taken unity for the standard specimen. Nominal diameter of 7.657 mm. Second point, when the nominal diameter of the specimen is more than 7.657 mm but less than 50 mm. The value of size factor B 0.85. Third point, more than 50 mm, the value of size factor B is equal to 0.75. Now, sigma E2 is equal to tau E K size factor is equal to sigma E into Ks into K surface into K size. Therefore, sigma E2 is equal to sigma E dot Ks dot K surface dot K size for reverse torsional or shear loading. Effect of miscellaneous factor on endurance limit. In additional to the surface finish factor K surface, that is size factor, that is KSZ, and loading factor, that is KB, KA, KS, there are many other factors such as reliability factor, temperature factor, impact factor, that is denoted by KR, KT, KI, etc., which affect on the endurance limit of a material. First point, for the reverse bending load, endurance limit is equal to, that is sigma E is equal to sigma EB dot K surface dot K size dot KR dot KT dot KI. For the second point, for the reversed axial load endurance limit, sigma E is equal to sigma EA dot K sur dot K surface dot KR dot KT dot KI. For the reverse torsional load or shearing load, sigma A is equal to tau E K surface K size KR KT KI. Note, in solving problem, if the value of any of the above factors is not known, it may be taken as unity. 14th, relation between endurance limit and ultimate tensile strength. It has been found experimentally that endurance limit sigma A of material subjected to a fatigue loading is a function of ultimate tensile strength. Endurance limit versus ultimate tensile strength. For steel, sigma E is equal to 0.5 sigma U. For cast steel, sigma E is equal to 0.4 sigma U. Sigma U, that is ultimate stress, and sigma E is equal to endurance stress. For cast iron, sigma is equal to 0.35 sigma U. For non-ferrous and alloy, sigma E is equal to 0.3 sigma U. Factor of safety for fatigue loading. Factor of safety is equal to endurance limit stress divided upon design or working stress is equal to sigma E upon sigma D. For steel, sigma E is equal to 0.8 to 0.9 sigma Y, that is yield factor. Sigma Y is equal to yield point stress, sigma A is equal to